ready? Just make sure you don't crash into me. He doesn't have that counterweight on there, but he's probably gonna be faster. Let's go. Come on! Wow! Ah! 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 I'm closing in on you! What have you done? This thing sucks, it's gutless. Oh, you see that? Diesel power, man. The diesel industry would be proud. Yo, that's enough. That's enough.
Drop it.
Okay. Is it in place? I don't think it's in place.
Oh, look.
Well, try pulling out your truck now. Okay, it worked. It worked.
Up or down.
Can you believe it? We've done something useful and no one got hurt.